Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change your bio on BeReal, or if you don't have a bio, how to set it. Right now I'm BeReal's discovery page, and all you have to do is click on the top right corner on the icon that has the first letter of your nickname on the app. So we're just gonna click it. And now this brings you to your memories on BeReal, and on the top right corner you have three dots, and that will bring us to our settings. Right now, we can see we have a lot of options, but we're going to click on the top on your profile. As you can see, mine is How to Library. We're going to click it, and you have full name, username, and bio. So we're just going to change our bio real quick. Hi, guys. Save. And that's how you change your bio. As you can see now, under the memories and our username and our profile, there's like our bio and says hi guys. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.